In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update DNS Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to make safe, effective changes without surprises. Start by signing in and heading to the My Account homepage. From your account dashboard, open the Domains section. This is where all of your registered domains live. If you manage more than one, select the domain you want to adjust so you're editing the right place. Next, open the DNS area for that domain. This brings up your DNS records, the entries that tell the internet where your website, email, and other services are located. Take a moment to scan the list and find the specific record you need to change. Bluehost often includes a menu next to each record. Click the three dots to reveal more options, then choose Edit to begin making changes. Inside the editor, start with the type. This determines what kind of record you're working with. For quick context, a records point a name to an IPv4 address, its name points one host name to another, PSA points to an IPv6 address, MX directs email for the domain, and TXT is commonly used for verification and security settings. Only change the type if you're certain. Switching a type can alter how that record behaves. Now, click into the Refers to field. This is the destination or value the record should point to, such as an IP address for an A record or a target host name for a C name. Paste or type the exact value provided by your hosting, email, or app provider. Accuracy matters here. Avoid extra spaces and only include a trailing dot if your provider specifically requires it. Next, set the TTL or time to live. TTL controls how long other servers cache this record before checking for updates. If you're in the middle of a migration or testing a change, a lower TTL can help updates propagate faster. Once everything is stable, a higher TTL can reduce lookups and improve performance. If you're unsure, the default is typically fine. When everything looks correct, confirm your edits. Bluehost will apply the change and update the record in your DNS list. Afterward, give the change time to propagate across the internet. Some updates appear within minutes, others can take up to 24 to 48 hours, especially for mail records. During that time, avoid making rapid, repeated edits unless necessary. Keep a note of old values so you can revert if something doesn't work as expected. That's it. Navigate to My Account, open domains, go to DNS, edit the right record, adjust type, set refers to, choose TTL, and confirm. You've successfully updated DNS on Bluehost.